Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. We have the silicone fish spatula. You can clean it with water before use, and put it in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. Please wash it in warm water and put it in a cool and dry place. Do not clean with a metal brush to avoid scratching the surface of the product. Do not use this product as a toy. May absorb food pigment, change color, but it will not affect the performance. You know, put it close to fire and avoid sun exposure. And then contact information. The information: scratch proof, dishwasher safe, heat resistant, easy to store. Okay. I'm going to set of 2. This part is metal here. Then yep. Put the part on top of the silicone. It should be better than the plastic ones I have that I keep breaking. So, yep. There it is. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you'll help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.